Power strip towers are innovative and versatile solutions for managing multiple devices in one compact unit. These vertical power strips offer a sleek design and a multitude of features that cater to the modern tech-savvy individual. With their towering structure, they provide ample space to plug in numerous devices simultaneously, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, gaming consoles, and more. Equipped with surge protection, they ensure the safety of your valuable electronics, shielding them from power surges and voltage fluctuations. Some models come with USB ports, allowing convenient charging of your portable devices. The space-saving design makes them ideal for homes, offices, or any area where multiple gadgets need to be powered. Power strip towers are gaining popularity due to their efficiency, ease of use, and clutter-reducing capabilities, making them a must-have accessory for any tech enthusiast. Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll feature the best power strip towers in the market. Subscribe, like, and stay updated. Let's begin. Antane Store has achieved an impressive 5th ranking in a comprehensive evaluation. The Antane Power Strip Tower boasts several noteworthy features. It features auto-sensing technology that detects voltage surges, providing surge protection. Additionally, it includes a reset/off switch with an integrated circuit breaker, offering overload protection for all outlets, with 8 overload protection capabilities. The Power Strip Tower is equipped with Smart VOI fast charging and offers a total of 4 USB ports with a combined output of 3.4A. Each USB-A port delivers a maximum output of 2.4A, while the USB-C port offers a maximum output of 3A, increasing charging speed by 30%. With a 10-foot cord and UL-approved safe and durable construction, the Power Strip Tower can be easily placed anywhere and is safe to use. Its fire-resistant PC shell withstands temperatures up to 1382 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring peace of mind during usage. The compact design is perfect for desktop use, taking up minimal space and keeping your workspace organized. With 12 AC outlets and 4 smart USB charging ports, the Power Strip Tower can power up to 16 electronic devices simultaneously, including mobile phones, lights, tablets, and speakers. The integrated circuit breaker and 1800 joules protection rating guarantee the safety of your valuable electronics. Ranked 4th among our top-rated products, the NVEESHOX brand takes pride in its exceptional features. This power strip tower offers 9 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, and 1 Type-C port. Its vertical design allows it to expand a single wall outlet into 13 without occupying much space. The power strip surge protector includes an 18W power delivery port, delivering faster charging for iPhones, iPads, and other Type-C devices. With advanced multifunctional protection technology, it safeguards your valuable electronic devices from overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and high-temperature risks. The overload switch automatically trips off to protect your devices during power overload situations. Made of high-quality PC and ABS fireproof material, the desktop power strip tower ensures good flame retardancy. It features a nearly 10 feet 100% copper cord for convenient placement. The power strip also includes a master control switch, allowing easy control of the AC outlets and USB ports. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly plugging and unplugging devices. Widely suitable for various settings such as living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, offices, and dormitories. Securing the 3rd spot on our list of top-ranking products is the esteemed Passus brand. With advanced protection technology and FCC CE safety certification, this universal power tower ensures the safety of both you and your valuable electronic devices. The major components, including the extension cords, have obtained UL certification, making it even more secure. Passus is renowned for its worry-free and friendly customer service. The Passus multi-plug tower offers a white light mode with 3 brightness levels, allowing you to adjust the light according to your preferences. With 4 separated switches controlling different parts, it's easy to turn off multiple electronics simultaneously, providing convenience in managing your connected devices and eliminating the hassle of plugging and unplugging. Suitable for various settings such as homes, offices, desks, and kitchens. This vertical power strip with USB ports features 12 AC outlets and 5 smart charging USB ports, accompanied by a 10-foot extension cord with thicker copper wires, enabling the simultaneous powering of multiple devices such as PCs, computers, laptops, phones, tablets, TVs, printers, speakers, and more. The Power Tower Surge Protector incorporates a built-in surge protector and circuit breaker, offering quicker and more reliable protection compared to traditional surge protector towers. It promptly shuts off during overwhelming surges caused by events like lightning strikes, effectively safeguarding your TV and computer against voltage fluctuations, surges, and spikes. Claiming an impressive second position in our brand ranking, NVEESHOX has outperformed its competitors. The NVEESHOX Tower Power Strip is your ultimate choice for all your charging needs. This surge protector power strip with USB ports boasts 12 widely spaced AC outlets and 4 USB ports, offering a comprehensive charging solution within one convenient station. Even in limited space, it can charge up to 18 devices simultaneously, catering to appliances and mobile devices like computers, laptops, phones, and cameras. The master switch located on the top of the power strip tower allows easy management of all connected devices from anywhere, eliminating the hassle of constant plugging and unplugging. With its unique vertical tower design, it occupies minimal space while providing a stable base with heavy-duty loading capacity. The 5 rubber feet at the bottom ensure it stays in place without slipping or sliding. The NVEESHOX Power Strip Tower is constructed from ABS plus PC fire-resistant material and incorporates advanced multifunctional protection technology. It includes surge protection, overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, overheating, short circuit, and high-temperature protection, ensuring the safety of your devices. The 10-foot power surge protector extension cord can be conveniently placed anywhere, while the 100% copper cord enables efficient charging speeds. Suitable for a wide range of settings including home, bedroom, office, dorm, and college dormitory. The black surge protector power strip with a 10-foot cord keeps your home office desk tidy and organized. Securing the top position on our list, the Smart brand demonstrates unparalleled excellence with the SB10510 Marcy flat bench. The Power Strip Tower offers USB-C fast charging capabilities, featuring 1 Type-C and 3 USB-A ports, enabling quick charging for your mobile phones, tablets, and other electronic devices. The built-in smart technology in the socket detects the charging device and automatically provides the optimal charging speed. With 8 AC outlets and 4 smart USB charging ports, this power strip can power up to 12 electronic devices simultaneously, while the overload protection ensures the safety of your electronics during operation. The Surge Protector power strip automatically cuts off power to protect your valuable devices when a voltage surge is detected. It also includes a reset/off switch with an integrated circuit breaker for overload protection. Additionally, this power strip offers overload protection, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and overheating protection. The widely spaced AC outlets accommodate most adapters without blocking each other, allowing easy plug-in for your PC, monitor, printer, and more, ultimately saving space and keeping your desktop organized. The space-saving tower design helps declutter your workspace. The 6.6 feet upgraded extension cord is UL approved and made of pure copper, ensuring better current carrying capacity. The environmentally friendly and fire-resistant PC shell with flame retardancy up to 1382 degrees Fahrenheit enhances durability and prolongs the product's lifespan. Operating at a voltage range of 100-240 V, this power strip can also be used while traveling. We greatly appreciate your feedback on the Power Strip Tower. Please share your thoughts and insights in the comments below as it assists us in enhancing our product. Thank you for taking the time to provide us with your valuable feedback.